Forging is what we call shaping metal using heat and a good old hammer or similar tools. The metal gets heated up until it's soft enough to work with. Then it's hammered into shape. This process gets repeated over and over until it looks just the way you want it.
Roundhouse guys, huh?
Well, we broke every steam shovel so far.
I mean, bibs. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I just discovered those a couple years ago. And today, I wasn't going to wear my bibs. I've got the first gun, so I got my strike bibs, and I want to show you my gun attire. Actually, even it's no strike coat, I can wear the suit store. Yeah, what it's called? Like that. Oh, yeah, I do that.
Trying to get in here? Trying to get in? You don't get by without that.
In 2024, we rebuilt and expanded our blacksmith shop to make room for this growing area of interest at our show. We're still putting on the finishing touches, but this new space gives us even more room for demonstrations and displays. Plus, you'll find a few other spots around the grounds where we're showing off similar blacksmithing techniques too.
So now, that's done. I cleaned that off. It will clear the end out. So how many of these you making? Maybe like 6. Come talk to him. Come around. You want to make it? How are you guys?
I'm making a big green what? I'm making a short one.
In a foundry, folks make all sorts of things by pouring molten metal into molds. Once it cools, you're left with a solid casting. Here, you can watch our volunteers in action, working through each stage of the process, making the sand molds, pouring the molten aluminum, and handling all the prep and finishing work that goes into it. It's a hands-on look at how it all comes together. A line shaft was an old-school way to power a bunch of tools using a single power source. Whether it was steam, water, a stationary engine, or even good old horsepower, it was the go-to method from the Industrial Revolution up until the early 20th century, when smaller electric motors started showing up on individual machines. Line shafts were a common sight in sawmills, factories, and all sorts of industrial settings. Here, you can see how the tools get turned on and off by working the belts and pulleys. Simple, but mighty effective. This here is a 25 horsepower Fairbanks Morse Model YH engine, and it's what keeps the line shafts turning in our foundry and machine shop. It's a two-stroke, direct-injected diesel engine that originally powered a line shaft at a sugar beet factory over in Ohio. It was purchased in 2011 and restored in 2012 before being added to our machine shop, and it's been a proud part of our operation ever since.